Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to transfer text messages from your Android smartphone to your Redmi A5. Now currently, I have one text message on my Android smartphone and I don't have any text messages on my Redmi A5. Now to transfer text messages from your Android smartphone to your Redmi A5, just open the Play Store app on both devices. Now in the search bar, just search SMS backup and restore. Now just install this app on both devices. Now it will take a few seconds to download this app on your smartphone. And once this app is fully downloaded, just tap on open. From here, just tap on get started. Now just tap on allow. From here, now just give this app these permissions. Now from here on your Android smartphone, just tap on set up a backup. Now from here, it is asking you what would you like to back up. Just make sure you select messages. And also you can select call logs. Now once you select these options, just tap on next. Now from here, just select your phone. Now just tap on your own folder. Now from here, just tap on notifications and tap on use this folder. Now just tap on allow. From here, just tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just tap on next. Now just tap on yes and tap on settings. Now just enable this option. And once you do that, just go back. Now just select when you want to update your data. You can select daily, hourly or weekly. I will select weekly. Now once you select weekly, it will back up your text messages weekly. Now just tap on backup now. Now as you can see, one text message has been backed up. Now from here, once you have done that, now just make sure that both of these devices are connected to the same Wi-Fi. Now after that, just tap on the three lines on your Android smartphone and tap on transfer. Now on your Android smartphone, just select send from this phone. Now just tap on allow. Now on your Redmi A5, just tap on the three lines at the upper left corner on the display and tap on transfer. From here, just tap on receive on this phone and tap on allow. Now as you can see, both of these devices are scanning. Now as you can see, our Android smartphone has scanned the name of our Redmi smartphone. Now just tap on Redmi A5. Now from here, on your Redmi A5, just tap on accept and restore. Now on your Android smartphone, just tap on transfer. Now as you can see, transfer completed. Now just tap on OK. Now on your Redmi smartphone, just tap on OK. From here, just select SMS backup and restore as your default messages app. Now just tap on set as default. Now just tap on OK. Now once you have done that, just go to your home screen. From here, just open the Messages app on your Redmi smartphone. Now just tap on set as default SMS app. Now just select Google Messages from here and tap on set as default. Now as you can see, we have successfully transferred our text message from our Android smartphone to the Redmi A5. And this is how you can transfer text messages from your Android smartphone to the Redmi A5. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.